it day in, day out. Got me on a new grid, fade in, fade out. Play me for the new kids, they need saving. Fuck all the cool kids, they complacent. Me and you will never be the same adjacent. I'll be on a new wave down in the basement, making anything that I feel to a statement. Flipping those words, transform to a payment. Take all the pain, turn it into gain. Take all your thoughts and flip them to insane. Push all your limits, there ain't no restraints. Cause bitch, we're going hard today. For the girl in the back room, she been looking hard, long hair and the tattoos, rocking that skirt, yeah, dean of the classroom, stay here to learn, teach me how to crack you, she be with the hard work, damn, she a starter, I could be smarter, I could work harder, I could go farther, I could be sharper, take all my pain and flip into a monster, welcome to my roster, just another foster, we gon' make it harder. No, I don't need a spotter, I just need whatever gets me to the next dollar. Turn the bass up to the back, fucking ears it. Turn the bass up till we all lose hearing. Lose myself for a second, no fearing. I don't need help in this bitch, now I'm steering. Take all the pain, turn it into gain. Take all your thoughts and flip them to insane. Push all your limits, there ain't no restraints. Cause bitch, we're going hard today. Yeah, and I feel the pain. Broken hearts, they all feel the same. And I don't wanna be all alone. Just pull me apart, take me away. Tell me it's all gonna be okay. I wanna feel like I'm still alive. Running and my heart beats racing. I'm not the same since your heart gave out on me, on me. Wish you would stay, but I know you gotta go. I hate change and I hate being alone. Never the same, the beginning always loved it more. Yeah, just pull me apart, take me away. Tell me it's all gonna be okay. I wanna feel like I'm still alive. Tell me it was worth it, all the pain you caused me. I know that we weren't perfect, I feel I have a curse that nothing I do works. And I know that you've been hurt, but I know we've had it worse, yeah. And I don't wanna fake it any more than I have to. Feeling tortured, I grab you, try to snap us both back to when I felt like I had you. It just feels like a bad mood, but you're turning your back soon.
I've been stabbed in the back too. So it's over now, it's over now. There's no way we can work it out, can't work it out. Every word that's coming out your mouth is filled with doubt. I don't have time to figure out what that's about. I don't wanna break you down, but I could feel your emotion, and there's nothing to open. I just think that we're broken. I could feel the erosion, like the coast to the ocean. Every day we're approaching just another explosion.
To fall asleep, just to fall asleep. I think I'm in too deep, yeah. I just need to fall asleep, put my mind at ease. Don't wanna think, just breathe, yeah.
Every single day becomes another battle. I'm tired due to pain, exhausted from the shackles. I feel you and disdain for the time we unravel. We'll never be the same, call the case, hit the gavel. I never thought it'd end like this with the fight. Not a kiss, nothing's right. Think we missed all the pride that I dished. Cause when I reminisce every night, felt dismissed and I tried to forget all the pain. I can't feel no more. I think you finally closed that door. I think you finally cleaned your drawer. I guess this is the price of war. And as I sit I write these chords. I still stay up at night, of course, and think about what might restore my heart so I could feel once more.
I just need to fall asleep, just to fall asleep.